Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are solving linear equations in two variables. Today also we'll learn how to solve some more word problems and we'll frame the linear equations and we'll solve by elimination method. So I have taken some questions taken from Ncert class 10 exercise 3.4. Here the question is asked to solve it by elimination method. First question, this is question number 2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following word problems and find their solution by elimination method. Part 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and then subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So you know that a fraction is written in the form of p by q. So one is numerator, one is denominator. Both are unknown here, so we can take as xy. So our answer starts like this. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator be y. Then the fraction is x by y. Now I'll go to the question again. If we add 1 to the numerator, so numerator is added to 1 and subtract from the denominator. That means from denominator I'll subtract 1. The fraction reduces to 1. Reduces to 1 means fraction becomes 1. So 1 is added to the numerator, x plus 1. 1 is subtract from the denominator, y minus 1. This ratio becomes 1. Fraction becomes 1. Or I'll cross multiply, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Or writing in standard form, it will be x minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. Now in the same way, I'll go for second part. It becomes half. What becomes half? The fraction becomes half. If only 1 is added to denominator, that means numerator will not change. Denominator will be added to 1. It becomes half. So cross multiplication, 2 will be multiplied to x. 2x is equal to y plus 1 or 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. And here you can see that y and y has the same coefficient, so it is easy to eliminate y. What to do? Just I'll subtract. So I'll write the equation again. X minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1 and I'll subtract. When you will subtract, change the sign of the which is to be subtracted. So 2x will be negative, y will be positive, 1 will be negative. Now minus y plus y, this is the elimination. There will be no y. And plus x minus 2x, it will be minus x. And here minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. This gives you x is equal to 3. So numerator we got it 3. Now putting x is equal to 3 in equation 1. I'll take 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, or minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3, that will be minus 5, or y is equal to 5. This is your denominator. What is the fraction? Fraction is 3 by 5. This is answer. You can check the answer. Here I am checking the answer. If 1 is added to both, so 3 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, 5 is subtracted 1. So you are getting 4 by 4, that is 1. So part 1 is completed. Similarly, if it is only denominator is added, you are getting 3 by 6, which is half. So this is your checking. So answer is right. Question number 2. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sanu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Find their present age, or how old are Nuri and Sonu. So there are two persons, one is Nuri and there is Sonu. Question is how old are they? That means the question is about present age. So we will take let present age of Nuri is X years and Sonu is Y years. Then we'll go for 5 years ago, before 5 years. Suppose you are 15 years old now, so before 5 years, you would be 10 years, that means 5 will be subtracted. So similarly, 5 years ago, Nuri will be 5 years less, Sonu will also be 5 years, would be less. So 5 years ago, Nuri was X minus 5 years. And Sonu was Y minus 5 years. At that time, the relation was Nuri was thrice of the Sonu. Nuri x minus 5, Sonu y minus 5. So according to the question, Nuri was thrice. Thrice means 3 times. 3 times Sonu y minus 5. This is the equation. If it is correct, then you are correct. Nuri was, Sonu was, according to question, it was thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Or x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. Or x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. Then I am getting the final equation after the simplification is your minus 10. One part is over. Now 10 years later, after 10 years. So if you are 15 years old now, after 10 years, you will be 25 years. So Sonu will be Y plus 5, 10 years. Nuri will be X plus 10 years. That means both will be added 10 years. So next is after 10 years. 10 years later, after 10 years, Nuri will be X plus 10 and Sonu will be Y plus 10. So at that time, the relation between them is Nuri would be twice. So Nuri would be Twice. Twice means 2 into Sonu. Y plus 10. Nuri would be twice Sonu. So simplify this. X plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, or x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10, 10. This equation 2. So one equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now you can see we can eliminate x here. They have same coefficient. Subtract, change the sign, x cancel. Minus 3y minus 2y gives you minus 5y. This is minus 20, or y is equal to, where is the problem? Minus 10, this will be minus 10, minus 20. 3y, sorry, it will be only y, not 5y. It will be only y. Minus 3y plus 2y minus y is equal to minus 20, or this gives you y is equal to 20. So this is the age of Sun. Now coming to Nuri, you can take any equation. I'll take this equation, putting y is equal to 20 in equation 2. X minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10, or x minus 40 is equal to 10. Then x is equal to 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. So this is age of Nuri. So let us write the statement now. So present age of Nuri is 50 years and of Sonu is 20 years. So we can verify it is written 5 years ago. That means Nuri was 45, 5 years ago Sonu was 15. So 45 is 3 times of 15. Similarly, 10 years later, one will be, Nuri will be 60 and this will be 30. So it will be double. Next, part 3. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So before going to the digit questions, let me explain a little bit about these 2-digit number and digits. Suppose I am taking an example of your 36. In this number, 3 is a digit and 6 is a digit. 3 is 10th place digit and 6 is 3 10th place digit. And 6 is your 1st place digit. So these are digits. These are digits. When we write number, number is not your 36. Number is 3 into 10 plus 6. Whatever will be in the 10th place, that is multiplied with 10 plus 1 plus digit. Similarly, now I am changing them. That means reversing the digits. So 6 will come in place of 3. 3 will come to plus 6. Then the number will be 6 into 10 plus 3. If you'll remember this, then you'll understand this, then everything is okay. Same thing happens if I'll take x as 10 plus digit, y as unit plus digit, the number is 10x plus y. These are the digits. Similarly, if I change them, the number will be now 10y plus x. This is reverse number. So let us go to the question now. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 9. That means if I'll take one is x, one is y, the x plus y is 9. 9 times the number is twice number obtained by reversing the order of the digits, find the number. So I hope you have noted down this one. So this is the, by reversing, this is the number. So let tens place digit be x and ones place digits be y. Then the number is 10 times of x plus y. Now when we reverse the digit, the reverse number is 10y plus x. Or we can write the number obtained by reversing the digit is 10y plus x. Now we'll read the question. The sum of digits is 9. So according to the question, x plus y is equal to 9, equation 1. Now 9 times of the number. This is the number. It's 9 times. That means 9 into 10x plus y is equal to, means is equal to, twice means 2 into, obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So we are getting 10y plus x. This is equation 2. 9 times of the original number is twice 2 times of the number obtained by reversing the digit. This is equation 2. Let me simplify. So 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x, or taking xy to one side, 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0, or I am getting 88x minus 18y is equal to 0. 20, this is equal to 0. So 88x minus 18y is equal to 0. 90 plus 9y, 20y plus 2x, 90x minus 2y plus y, 20 minus 9, it will be 11. So much silly mistake. This will be 11y. 11y. So 11y is equal to 0. And what I'll do here, this is your equation 2, but I'll simplify more. I'll divide throughout by 11. Then I'll get x, 8x minus y is equal to 0, dividing throughout by 11. So 8, 11, 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. So x plus y is equal to 9. 8x minus y is equal to 0. I'll add them to eliminate y, adding, not subtracting, because they are of opposite sign. These two will be cancelled. So 9x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 1. So 10's place digit is 1. Now coming to, I'll putting in equation 2. 8 into 1 minus y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 8. So the number is 1, 8. 10 plus digit x, 1, unit plus digit 8. So number is 18. Next fourth part. Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 note and rupees 100 note only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Okay, so we don't know how many rupees 50 notes are there, how many rupees 100 notes were there, but total notes was 25 and total money was rupees 2000. So there were one unknown quantities, two unknown quantities. One is rupees 50 note and rupees 100 note. We can take as xy. So let number of rupees 50 notes be x and rupees 100 notes be y. Then according to the question, the total notes is 25. So x plus y is equal to 25. Equation 1. Coming for the second equation, total money is 2000. Now just to better understand here, one is rupees 50 note. If there will be two notes, I'll get 100. If there will be four notes, I'll get 200. If there will be x notes, I'll get how much? 50x. So they will be multiplied. In the same way, 100 rupees note gives you 100 rupees. If it's 2, I'll get 200. If it is 5, I'll get 500. If it is y, I'll get 100 into 5. So what I'll write here? I'll write money from rupees 50 notes is 50x, and money from rupees 100 notes is 100y. And what is the total money? It is 2000. So according to the question, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. So now I am giving you a trick to simplify this. So you divide throughout by 50 because each number is divisible by 50. Or first you can cancel 0, 0, 0. You'll get 5x, 10y is equal to 200. You can get 5x plus 10y is equal to 200. Then divide with 5. You will get x plus 2y is equal to 40. This is, I can write the final equation is 2. Now I'll eliminate x plus y is equal to 25. This is equation 1. Subtract, x will be cancelled, eliminated. So y is equal to 15. Y I have taken 100 rupees note. So 15 were rupees 100 notes were 15. Okay. Now coming to x. So x plus y 15 was 25. So x is equal to 10. So rupees 50 notes were 10. You can check. So what is the money from 50 rupees note? It is 500. What is the money from the 100 rupees note? It will be 1500. So total is 2000. So you can write the statement. Next, fifth part. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. That means if you are a member, you are giving for fixed charge and it is allowed for 3 days. You have to pay nothing, only the fixed charge. And then after that, you are paying the money. So there are two unknown quantities. One is fixed charge. So let the fixed charge for 3 days be X rupees X, and additional charge each day be Y. What does it mean? If I'll keep for 3 days, then I have to pay only X. If I'll keep for 4 days, I'll give X as well as 1 day extra, that is Y. If I'll keep the books for 5 days, I'll for 3 days I'm paying X, for rest 2 days I'm giving 2Y, so on. So for 3 days you have to pay no Y. Now first is for Sarita. Sarita keeping how many days? For 7 days. So Sarita kept book for 7 days. So how much she paid? She paid 27. So for 7 days, for 3 days, no money, and rest for 4 days, she will pay 4Y. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27. Equation 1. Next, Sushi. Sushi kept for 5 days. 5 days we have already calculated. For 3 days, no money, and rest 2 days. For 3 days, no money. For 2 days, 2Y. So 3 days, that means no money means it has to pay X. X plus 2Y is equal to 21. This is equation 2. Now subtract. X cancel. So 2Y is equal to 6 and Y is equal to 3. This is the charge for per day. Now putting in equation 2. X plus 3 into 2 is equal to 21. So X is equal to 21 minus 6, 15. 15 for 12, yes. So the charge, the fixed charge be, what fixed charge? Yes, rupees 18 is rupees 15, and charge for each extra day is rupees 3. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. So keep on watching. We will be solving some more problems and practice some more questions also. Thank you and have a nice time.